हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. मी यज्ञा दयानंद गुरु तुमचं माझ्या यज्ञा ई लर्निंग या चॅनलवर स्वागत करते. मुलांना आज आपण आपला जो 9th चॅप्टर आहे डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कव्हर करणार आहोत. त्याआधी ज्यांनी चॅनल सबस्क्राईब नसेल केला त्यांनी प्लीज चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा आणि व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक, कमेंट आणि शेअर नक्की करा. चला तर मग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आन्सर द फॉलोइंग इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स. Explain the relation between continuous rains and landslide. Give reasons. So the answer is, after effects of heavy rains cause landslides, plants and small trees are uprooted from the soil due to continuous heavy rains. The rainwater enters the cracks and fissures present in hard rocks, causing their weathering. Due to these factors, soil and rocks run off on a slopy region. This running of soil, rocks along with other debris causes landslide. This proves that there is a strong relation between continuous rains and landslide. Move to the question number 2. Prepare a chart showing do's and don'ts at the time of earthquake. So the answer is, do's at the time of earthquake. First, stay under the lintel of an inner door, in the corner of a room, under a table or under a bed. Keep yourself away from glass, windows, outside doors and walls and anything that could fall. Hold on and protect your head with a pillow unless you are under a heavy light fixture that could fall. Use a doorway for shelter only if it is in close proximity to you and if you know it is a strongly supported load bearing doorway. Then avoid doing following things during earthquake. That avoid using the lift in a multi-stored building, instead use of staircase. Do not sit in discomfort for long. Do some physical movements. After the earthquake, there is a possibility of fire. Hence, to avoid it, carefully switch off the main electric supply. Then, do not use candles, lantern, or matchbox. Instead of use torch or battery. Okay. Move to the next question. What are the specifications of an earthquake-proof building? So the answer is, the constructions which do not get damaged due to earth movements up to a certain limit. They're called earthquake resistance building. To construct tall buildings, Indian Standard Institute has made some code of conduct. Buildings are constructed as per IS 456 and earthquake resistant constructions are performed as per IS 1893. Criteria for earthquake resistant design of a structure and IS 13920. Ductile detailing of reinforced concrete structures subjected to seismic forces. Advanced technology is used for earthquake resistance construction. To get prior information about earthquake, modern equipment like lasers ranging very long baseline, then giga counter, creep meter, strain meter, tide gauge, then tilt meter, volumetric, strain gauge, etc. are used. Move to the next question. Explain the effects of landslide. So answer is, the effects of landslide are, rivers get flooded and change their path. Then displacement of water, fall, formation of artificial water reservoir. There is a life and financial loss on a large scale as trees, buildings, rocks on slopy areas collapse on low-lying land. Then landslides affect the traffic. Landslide destroy plant life on it. Okay. Move to the next question. Is there any relation between dam and earthquake? Explain. So the main purpose of constructing a dam is to impound flowing water. Due to storage of tons of water in the dam, there is weakening of the faults that and the stress caused by it is enough to induce earthquakes. The platonic plates are disturbed and when they move they cause an earthquake. Move to question number 2. Give scientific reasons. First question. It is safer to find shelter under things like a bed, table at the time of earthquake. So the answer is during an earthquake it is safer to find shelter under things like a bed, table because due to high vibrations heavy things may fall on us and we might get injured. If any heavy things hit us, we might die or have any other injuries. So, staying under things like a bed, table is the safest way to protect ourselves at the time of an earthquake. Then move to the second question. In monsoon, don't take shelter near hillside. So the answer is during monsoon season, sleeping is a common issue. Sleeping happens due to various reasons, but the two most relevant ones are gravity and water. Gravity pulls soil and sand downwards, and rain can help to do it fast. Thus, it is risky to take shelter near hillsides during monsoon. Question number 3. Don't use lifts at the time of earthquake. So, the answer is during an earthquake, we should not use lift because if the earthquake is too strong on the Richter's scale, it may cut the power, due to which you might get trapped inside the lift for an uncertain period of time until it is reconnected. Thus, it is better to avoid it before and after the shocks. Next question. The foundation of the earthquake proof building is separated from other land. So the answer is the simple way to structure more resistance to these lateral forces is to tie the walls, floors, roof and foundations into a rigid box that holds together when shaken by a quake. From an earthquake point of view, the most dangerous building construction is unreinforced brick or concrete block. Third question. If a crowd gathers at the place of earthquake, what would be the difficulties in relief work? So the answer is if a crowd gathers at the place of earthquake, there would be following difficulties in relief work. It would be difficult for the relief team in finding the victims. The gathering might misuse the relief resources. The help might get delayed towards the victims because of the crowd gathering. The targeted area might get havoc due to crowd gathering, which will make it hard to pinpoint the area that needs more help. The gathering can misguide the relief workers. The severity of the situation can be easily misjudged. Move to the next question. Question number 4. Make a list of the institute and organization who provide help for disaster management. Collect more information about their work. Answer. The list of institute and organizations who provide help for disaster management are National Disaster Response Force, that is NDRF, then National Disaster Management Authority, that is NDMA, National Institute of Disaster Management, that is NIDM, International Strategy for Disaster Reduction, that is ISDR. Move to the next question. Question number 5. Make a survey of your school according to the plan of disaster management and write the point-wise information. So friends, this activity is based question. This is activity based question, so you have to do it yourself. Okay. Move to the next question. Are there any possible places of landslide in your area? Collect information from expert. This is also the activity based question, so do it yourself. Then move to the next question. With the help of the following picture, explain your role in the disaster management. So you can see here is a boy and he maybe he messaging someone that I am at risk. Okay. So what your role in that situation? So let's see. Answer is, it seems like the person is texting us that he is at risk. Since the type of risk or disaster is not mentioned, We can make possible guesses and give him following support. So first tell him to calm down and ask him what type of risk he is facing and his location. Then if he has faced man-made calamities like theft, then abduction, then call the nearest police station and give the police his picture, phone number, address and other details so that they can track him down. And we should also try to reach the place as soon as possible. If he has faced some road accident, then call the ambulance and police to reach there as soon as possible. We should be also there as soon as possible to give him support. In case of fire, call the fire brigade, ambulance and police, giving them all the information and urge them to reach there as early as possible. So friends, आपले जे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आहेत ते इथेच कंप्लीट झालेले आहेत. होप तुम्हाला आजचा जो व्हिडिओ आहे तो नक्कीच आवडला असेल आणि ऑफकोर्स व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला नक्की लाईक करा. कमेंटमध्ये तुमच्या काही क्वेरीज असतील त्याही आमच्यापर्यंत पोचवा. या क्वेश्चन आन्सरचे जे नोट्स आहेत ते डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये तुम्हाला लिंक अवेलेबल आहे, तिथे जाऊन तुम्ही ती क्लिक करून ते पाहू शकता. चला तर मग भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत टेक केअर अँड हॅव अ गुड डे.